What's going on, YouTube? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's dive into some of these levels and give you an idea of some of these key spots that I'm looking at for this week. Here on SPY, we've got a very strong resistance around 399 to 400 range. Right in this ballpark, that's pretty much what we're gapping up into. So we have already kind of hit this area. We're starting to pull back some pre-market. As this video comes out, you guys will already have seen where we open up at. At the moment, it is looking decently strong. In my opinion, we are still bearish. And I do believe that the bear should try to roll this thing over, is what I'm still waiting on. But I will be flipping my script if we start getting some hourly closes up above 399, 400. If we do start taking out this level, especially on some daily candle closes, that's very strong, and we've still got to kind of battle through 402. But after that, I mean, I don't see why we wouldn't go up to 408. So looking up at 408 level, that's going to be a big time resistance. Watch out for traps in this area. We are very extended. It is very extended. We have had a lot of bear traps down here, and that's leading some bulls to try to get moving. So there is some bullish momentum. I just think it's going to get hit by a wall of resistance. So be aware of that. Be patient. I'm going to sit back and I'm going to wait and see what it does through these areas. And then I'm going to be looking to sell some credit spreads down below this area. If we keep looking strong, then below this bouncing area, I'll just keep selling some credit spreads this week to make some money and look for this to roll its way back up to 408 and then see what we do from there. It's a very large resistance at 408. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see how this plays out. To take out the PAL day here a few days back, a little bit ago back on the 22nd, if we can get up above that 402.50-ish range, that would be very strong. Again, this is a good gap and it's squeezing out. It's just had a lot of volatility here when it comes to the futures. So if I throw futures out here on the screen, you can kind of see what I'm talking about, right? Massive run up, a nice little higher low, immediately take that out, immediately get bought up. It's just a lot of volatility in here. So expect that to continue for the first day or two this week. A lot of volatility. So I'm guessing we'll be getting some pullbacks here at market open just because we're extended, and possibly some more run-ups, some more bear squeezes. I think everyone jumped in bearish for PAL, and they are just kind of getting it handed to them right now. Right? So here's your shaved bottom candle. Any break below that candle would be a very strong bear move. And bears are just loading in right here. Once, they got trapped, twice, and now they're getting squeezed. So I think this is just an exit of all the weak bears, and it can continue. I mean, these short squeezes can be pretty powerful. So we will see. Really, the key spot's going to be, do the bears hold this short area, and especially the high of the 22nd of March, the rate announcement, basically, right? So that's what I'm looking at. Very trappy. I think this is going to be a little bit tough to trade. We're going to get some volatility on it. Be quick with it. Play your levels. And if we do take out these lows, if we can get a candle close below these lows, it is going to go straight to 380. There's nothing really, in my opinion, holding this thing up. And then it's going to be the same story. What do we do in this bouncing area down here at 380? So those are my key levels to keep an eye out for this week that I am looking at. If we keep breaking out above certain key levels, expect a lot more bulls to come through up until about 408. And then from there, it's going to be a battle. We'll see what happens. Same story here. If we take out any of these buying things this week, any of these trapping lower wicks from the past, Thursday, Friday of last week, it should be rolling straight down. You'll see quite a bit of selling, and we're going to be coming into this 380 spot very fast. And then from there, whatever we do, right? Do we go screaming through 380? Does it trap and try to bounce? This is where some more bulls can try to come in. It's going to be an interesting time, but at the moment, this is looking strong. It's just very extended, in my opinion. So be patient. Wait for candle closes above or across certain areas. and then wait for some pullbacks and keep riding this momentum bullish, because at the moment right now this is squeezing out pretty good, and I really do think that we are bearish, and this is just squeezing out bears that got in off of that shaved bottom candle on PAL, because that was extremely bear sentiment. I'm not really sure what would be pushing this market up except for a little bit of hope and bears getting squeezed out. Bears just like, I just can't handle it anymore, I've got to exit, right? Which causes a lot more buying in these markets. So there you have it. There are your levels. Good luck with trading. Follow your plan, control your emotions, pay attention to these key levels and trade around them, and repeat, and you'll be successful eventually, right? That's how trading works. Take your losses, lose small, take your wins, win big, stay patient, and just keep planning your trades. Plan ahead, know what you're gonna do, and you will be successful. I love you guys. I'll see you throughout this week with some more updates.